Hi everyone, my name is Julieta. I'm a DCSer and field software engineer, and in this lesson we're going to answer the following question. What is VTEX IO? The learning objectives for these lessons are learning VTEX IO definition and its main features. So, by definition, VTEX IO is a low-code development platform designed to handle performance, scalability, and security requirements in enterprise applications. This sounds a little bit difficult, right? But let's keep it simple. We can say that VTEX IO offers the necessary tools so developers can concentrate on application logic and business-specific needs, while VTEX manages all of the infrastructure complexities. VTEX IO allows us to develop storefront apps, admin apps, backend apps, and pixel apps. Now we're going to dive a little bit on VTEX IO main features. So the first one we're going to see is that VTEX IO is a cloud-native infrastructure, which allows us to optimize scalability and high availability, minimizing manual infrastructure management. This includes automatic scaling, so resources are dynamically adjusted based on traffic demands, maintaining uptime and performance even during peak usage without requiring pre-scaling. Also, we have VTEX IO command line interface, which is the only thing we need to start developing on VTEX IO. So this enables a fast setup and configuration, allowing developers to synchronize code with the cloud environment quickly and efficiently. And this drives us to the third point, which is continuous deployment. Why? Because code changes in the local environment are automatically synced and deployed to the cloud, ensuring a consistent development and production environments. Then we have Workspaces. This functionality provides isolated environments, allowing teams to develop, test, and deploy code safely without impacting the live environment. Yes, we have version control because multiple workspaces allow developers to maintain and test separate code versions. Each workspace can be deployed independently to evaluate changes. And this leads us to the second point, which is testing and monitoring. Workspace supports A/B testing and enable real-time performance tracking, allowing teams to measure the impact of updates and optimize them accordingly. VTEX IO supports different frameworks and technology through VTEX IO builders to facilitate development with familiar tools such as TypeScript, React, GraphQL, .NET, and Node. Lastly, we have VTEX IO Store Framework. This is for teams specifically focused on building and maintaining storefront. So this framework provides foundational tools and components, making it easy to create dynamic and customized e-commerce experiences. So we have React-based store blocks. So this offers pre-built customizable React blocks, which simplify the process of developing and updating storefront layouts and features. Also, it provides us consistent architecture because it's designed to integrate seamlessly with other VTEX services and VTEX core capabilities. And also, it's an open beta. That means that all VTEX accounts can use the store framework with no additional cost. So, to sum up, we are going to mention the key points of this lesson, which are that VTEX IO is a low-code development platform where developers focus on the code while VTEX manages all of the infrastructure. Also, it's a cloud-native infrastructure. It supports different frameworks such as React and Node, and it provides VTEX IO Store Framework and Workspaces. So this is all for today. Thanks for watching and feel free to reach out anytime. Bye!